After the product has been developed, it comes in the done column over here. In the bottom grid, you may see the details of all the products that are being developed. Next comes is taking a order from any customer. To make a buyer order, we'll just right click on this column and select buyer order form from here. It will take us to the buyer order form. Here you may select the company of the buyer. If supposingly if there is no any company that are mentioned over here and any new buyer has come, we can create a new buyer from this plus button. Just click on this plus button and it will directly takes us to the party master form. Click on add. Here add the entries of the new buyer whom you want to add, selecting its country, state and city, and just click on save to save this buyer. Just select the buyer's company, supposingly if it's Carol, the name of the buyer, its BO number, the season in which the order is being placed, the name of the merchandiser, and the marketing head involved. This document number is auto generated. Here you may also select the payment mode by which the payment is being made. Supposingly if it's fast wire, then the terms involved along with its LC term, and the ship to place, that is where it is being shipped. Here when we click on this button, here you will see all the product IDs that we have made in the product master form. Just select on any appropriate product ID and its style description and color are auto filled. Shipment date is the date when the order is being shipped. Here supposingly if it is being shipped on 13th July, the number of quantities that are being ordered, the stock in hand available for it, the discount if any applicable. We can type that discount over here and its value after discount automatically gets calculated. Next comes is the type of price, its basic packing, that is whether it is being placed in boxes or cartons, its production unit where it is being produced, the size type in which that product lies. Supposingly if it belongs to S and OS, we'll select S and OS over here, and then we'll select this plus button over here and select the appropriate color for the size breakup and enter over here the details of the sizes that are being available with its breakup quantity mentioned over here, and we'll click on add to select its basic country, the number of quantity that are being ordered, its trial date, its shipment date, its delivery date, container and trial date, and we'll click on just save to save this order entry. After saving, it will ask us to see the print of this buyer order. We'll click on detail